Hello everyone. This video is going to be about QuarterMiSTer, a way to manage your Mr. FPGA or multiple Mr. FPGAs via a web browser. This one differs from Wizzle's web administration tools in that QuarterMiSTer offers better security. At the moment, QuarterMiSTer is in early access, and during early access, if you're a Patreon subscriber of Hotego, Wizzle, Sorge, or the Epsilon, then you can use QuarterMiSTer for one MiSTer device for free. At the full release, everyone will be able to manage one MiSTer for free. Managing multiple MiSTer setups will require a direct Patreon support of QuarterMiSTer. But right now, I'm just going to be testing out the software to see how it works. And here I am in the QuarterMiSTer website. I linked my Patreon account to QuarterMiSTer, and I was able to detect that I was a Patreon subscriber to several of the supporters that will get you one MiSTer FPGA setup support. So this is the page that I see first. It's a dashboard, and it shows me that I'm connected to my MiSTer FPGA setup that's called Koala. You first have to install the software on your MiSTer FPGA, and QuarterMiSTer has detailed instructions on how to do it. It was pretty easy. You just run a command via SSH, you enter your QuarterMiSTer username and password, and you're done. Then you log into the QuarterMiSTer website, and then you'll see your MiSTer FPGA connected, as long as your MiSTer FPGA is on and connected to the internet. All right, so now what do I do next? I click on my MiSTer FPGA setup, and it gives me some tools. So I see MiSTer menu. I guess this tells me where I am currently. Let me navigate to a different location. Okay. Let me open up an arcade core, and I'll load 1941 counterattack. Doesn't automatically update, but let me see what happens if I refresh. Okay, so if I refresh, it will show me what I'm running so far. So it doesn't automatically refresh. Let me load up another core just to test it again. Load a console core. Tars 7800. So it automatically refreshed here. So I guess it depends on the refresh rate that the website has set up, whether it will update instantly or not. I'm not sure, but loading the Atari 7800 core instantly showed the change on the QuarterMiSTer website. Let me load another core in which I have games installed. Load the Genesis core. Okay, so the change is shown on the QuarterMiSTer website. Let me see what happens if I load a game. I loaded a game. So it doesn't show the specific game loaded. So I'm not sure if that's possible or not, but it's cool that it's still able to show the core change. See what other features I can see. I can take a screenshot, so let me take a screenshot right now. So, wow, that's pretty awesome. It showed up right away. Okay, let's see what else. Let me see. I click menu, what happens? So I get quick access here to the MiSTer FPGA menu. So I'm on my laptop. Load a computer core. Let's load the AO486 core. Where's AO486? Here it is. And that works. Let's see what else we have here. We load another core, another arcade core. Let's try Ajax. Okay, that worked also. Try another console core. Let's see, Saturn. Where's Saturn? Where's Sega Saturn? Here it is. And that worked. Let's see what control does. All right, so I get a remote. So I'm assuming this is menu. Yep, brings up the menu. I can go up, down, left, right, back. Okay, menu again, cancel. Okay, that's awesome. And space is for when you're configuring controls and you want to skip certain controls, you could press space. So the remote control work, so I can access scripts also. So I'll click on that. So let me update my MiSTer now. Let's see. Let me run update all. I'll run it. So it wants me to confirm I really want to do this. I'll click OK. And it's probably running in the background because you can run update all in the background. But on my MiSTer FPGA, as you can see, the screen is still in the Saturn core. So right now, I rather prefer to see the progress of update all, because right now I don't know what it's doing. I don't know where the update all script is currently at. And, I'm afraid I might turn off my MiSTer FPGA while update all is updating. So it's cool that I can run the script from here, but I would just like to see the progress of update all. See what edit does here. Okay, so I could rename the MiSTer and I can choose a specific device. I'll cancel this. And I believe that's all. So yeah, so far this is pretty cool. I like this. And I guess with multiple MiSTer FPGA setups, which I do have, you can, seems to automatically detect the MiSTer FPGA. So far this is pretty cool. QuarterMiSTer is doing a great job so far. I look forward to see the development of this and how it evolves. So yeah, this is it. This is just a quick test of QuarterMiSTer, and I like it so far. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.